In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save customized reports in QuickBooks Online. If you regularly review the same financial information, saving a customized report can be a huge time saver. Instead of adjusting the same settings every time you open a report, you can create the exact view you need once, save it, and come back to it whenever you want. This is especially helpful for reports you use weekly, monthly, or for team reviews. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and go to the left-hand menu. From there, select Reports. This is where you'll find all of the standard reports available in your account, along with any custom reports you've already created. Once you're in the Reports section, choose the standard report you want to work with. For example, you might open a profit and loss report, but the same process works for many other reports as well. After the report opens, click the Customize button at the top. This is where you can tailor the report to match exactly what you want to see. Depending on your needs, you can adjust filters, change the rows and columns, and set the date range that makes the most sense for your reporting period. Take a moment here to review each setting carefully. Small changes in filters or date selection can make a big difference in the final report, so it's worth checking that everything matches your goal. Once you've finished adjusting the report, click Run Report to preview your changes. This step is important because it lets you confirm that the data is displaying the way you expect. If something looks off, you can simply go back into the customization settings and make another adjustment before saving. When the report looks correct, go to the top right and click Save As, or in some versions, Save Customization. QuickBooks will then prompt you to enter a name for the report. Choose a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. This is especially useful if you plan to save several custom reports over time. If other current users need access to the same report, switch on the Share with Others option. That allows the saved customization to be available to them as well. You may also see an Add to Group drop-down, which is optional but helpful if you want to keep your reports organized in a more structured way. Once everything is set, click Save to finalize the report. Your customized report is now stored in QuickBooks Online and ready to use whenever you need it without having to reconfigure it from scratch.